Welcome to Review Rumble. The best J300 filters is probably one of the most important components of your jacuzzi hot tub, responsible for keeping the water clean and clear. But with so many options available, choosing the right filter can be a daunting task. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Jacuzzi J300 filters, exploring their features, benefits, and how to choose the perfect one for your hot tub, ensuring you enjoy a relaxing and hygienic spa experience. Number 5. POOLPURE PLF6CH 960 Spa Filter. Introducing the POOLPURE PLF6CH 960 Spa Filter. This filter is designed to replace multiple models, ensuring your spa water stays crystal clear. It's a reliable choice for your spa. This filter boasts a length of 14.78 inches and a filtration area of 60 square feet. The design includes a handle at the top and two SAE threaded connections at the bottom. This ensures efficient and effective filtration. The POOLPURE PLF6CH 960 is compatible with several models, including Clarathon and Unisol filters. Please note that this is a compatible replacement. The brand stands independently. This filter is tested and certified by IAPMO against NSF ANSI 50 standards. All components are safe for long-term water exposure. It protects your family's health by ensuring cleaner and safer spa water. The innovative trilobal fiber structure provides 3 times the adsorption surface area. It captures more dirt and sediment, maintaining consistent water clarity, even with frequent use. This means you can enjoy crystal clear water all day long. Our exclusive dirt locking structure efficiently captures debris and makes cleaning effortless. During rinsing, trapped dirt is released easily and thoroughly. The filter is simple to rinse, reusable, and reduces maintenance time and costs. Upgraded with a 50-micron high-efficiency filtration layer, it removes up to 99% of fine particles. It keeps pool water sparkling clear for longer, reducing the need for frequent water changes and chemical use, saving you time and money. What we like. This filter is NSF ANSI 50 certified, ensuring safety and peace of mind. Its innovative trilobal fabric design provides superior filtration, capturing more dirt. If you prioritize water purity and health, this is the perfect choice for your spa. What people say. The filters are easy to install. The filter is a perfect fit and works great. The product is exactly what I needed. Number 4. POOLPURE PLF6CH 960 Spa Filter. Introducing the POOLPURE PLF6CH 960 Spa Filter, a reliable replacement for various models. This filter ensures your spa water stays clean and clear, providing a safe and enjoyable experience. This filter features a trilobal filtration fabric design, offering a larger surface area for capturing dirt and sediment. It ensures consistent water clarity, even with frequent use, so you can enjoy your spa anytime. The exclusive dirt locking structure efficiently captures debris, making cleaning effortless. During rinsing, trapped dirt is released easily and thoroughly. This design reduces maintenance time and costs. With a 50-micron high-efficiency filtration layer, it removes up to 99% of fine particles. This keeps your pool water sparkling clear for longer, reducing the need for frequent water changes and chemical use. Made with durable materials, this filter lasts over 30% longer than standard cartridges. It reduces replacement frequency and long-term maintenance costs, delivering greater value over time. You can rely on it for long-lasting performance. The filter is tested and certified by IAPMO against NSF ANSI 50 standards for material safety. All components are proven safe for long-term water exposure, ensuring no harmful substances are released. It protects your family's health. What we like. The filter is also NSF ANSI 50 certified, guaranteeing safety. Its trilobal fabric design ensures crystal clear water. If you want a safe and effective filter, this is the one for you. What people say. The filters are easy to install. The product is exactly what I needed. The filters fit perfectly. Number 3. ZOTEE Spa Filter for Jacuzzi J300, 2-pack. This ZOTEE Spa Filter is designed to replace various models, including the Jacuzzi J300 and others. It's a convenient and reliable solution for your spa maintenance needs. This filter ensures your spa water stays clean and clear. The filter measures 15 to 7/16 inches in length with an outer diameter of 6 to 5/8 inches. It features an open top with slots and a 2 SAE bottom, offering a filtration area of 60 square feet. This design maximizes its ability to capture impurities. This filter is a direct replacement for several models, such as Tier 1 PAS 1342 and Filbert FC 2715. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your existing pool or spa cleaning system. This makes it easy to maintain your water quality. The pleated design provides a more stable structure and increases the surface area for contaminant exposure. This design improves filtration efficiency and durability. The filter effectively removes excess particles. Extend the life of your filter by cleaning it with a gentle stream of water. Remember to rinse the filter when filling your pool. Avoid using high-pressure hoses or abrasive brushes to prevent damage to the filter. Installation is quick and easy. A comfortable fit is required between the manifold and the filter element. Using waterproof pool grease can make assembly easier, ensuring a snug fit and preventing leaks. What we like. This filter features a pleated design for increased surface area and efficiency. It's easy to wash, extending its lifespan. If you're looking for a filter that's simple to maintain and install, consider this option. What people say. These filters are a great strong quality material and do an awesome job keeping our hot tub sparkling clean. Filters exactly as described and fit my J300. They work very well and will continue to do so. Number 2. Clarathon replacement filters for Jacuzzi J300 series. Tired of a dirty hot tub? These Clarathon replacement filters are designed specifically for your Jacuzzi J300 series spa. They will keep the water crystal clear, so you can relax and enjoy. These filters are compatible with Jacuzzi J300 series models, including those using filter numbers 6540 to 383, 6000 to 383, and 6000-383A. They are designed to fit perfectly and provide optimal filtration. Each filter provides 60 square feet of filtration area, ensuring effective removal of dirt and debris. The filters are 6 to 5/8 inches in diameter and 15 to 12 inches long, featuring a removable cap and coarse threading. You're getting genuine Clarathon brand filters, model FC 2715. They are built to last and provide superior performance compared to generic alternatives. These filters are 100% guaranteed to meet or exceed the performance of your original spa filters. They will help you maintain a clean and healthy hot tub experience. What we like. This is a genuine Clarathon brand filter, ensuring quality and performance. With 60 square feet of filtration area, it effectively cleans your spa. If you value a reliable, well-known brand, this filter is a great choice. What people say. The filters are easy to install. The product is exactly what I needed. The filters fit perfectly. Number 1. Hot Tub Things Jacuzzi ProClear 6000-383A Filter. This replacement filter is designed for Jacuzzi ProClear systems in J300, J400, J500, and JLX spas. It offers a quick, tool-free installation, ensuring optimal spa performance. Made with woven Rimae media, it captures small particles and debris. This keeps your spa water crystal clear and free from contaminants, perfect for hot tubs and swim spas. The filter works seamlessly with chlorine, bromine, UV systems, and ProClear mineral sanitizers. This gives you the flexibility to use your preferred water treatment. This washable and reusable filter helps reduce maintenance costs. Clean it monthly to maintain maximum filtration performance, saving you money on replacement filters. Built with a twist-off cap and durable woven Rimae media, it ensures maximum filtration and long-lasting durability. It provides consistent water clarity and reliable performance all season long. What we like. This filter offers seamless compatibility with Jacuzzi ProClear systems. It provides superior filtration, ensuring clean water. If you want a filter that's easy to install and maintain, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The filters are easy to install. The filter is a perfect fit and works great. The product is exactly what I needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.